Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming radar power and avionics bus. Make sure the radar and standby power are available. Next, select the weather radar mode on the ND and engage the antenna by turning the radar knob to on. Set an initial tilt between -0.5 and 1 degree to scan low cloud returns. Once done, set range to 40 nautical miles so you see frontal structure, but not clutter. Verify display split or overlay as company SOP requires. Now focus on getting a clear picture. Slowly adjust antenna tilt in half-degree increments while monitoring echoes. Raising tilt finds higher echoes, lowering finds low-level precipitation. Make small gain adjustments to reduce ground and sea clutter. If returns overwhelm, engage attenuation or use the attend function to suppress strong returns near the aircraft. At the same time, cross-check relative motion and turbulence indicators, and compare radar echoes with ATC traffic. Finally, choose your path by combining tilt and range. Skirt yellow returns, avoid red and especially white cores. Once you have a chosen deviation, trim tilt to monitor that sector continuously. If the display shows noise, frozen echoes, or no returns, first cycle radar power, select standby, then on, check the radar circuit breakers and bus indications. If unresolved, notify ATC and use pilot reports and satellite weather products as backup. This preserves safety, while maintenance investigates the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.